So hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to analyze a complete e-commerce dataset from initiation to the decision making steps. In all the data analysis projects, you will be saying that first you will have been given some data. You will have to clean the data and check the data. Then you have to analyze data, that is prepare the data, and then you will have to present it to the your stakeholders to get the correct distance. So let's see what's the dataset is all about. Now this is our dataset where first we have to understand this dataset. So there is order ID column where we have all the values as unique. Then we have various dates here. Then the product, which product is being bought, then price and quantity of this product, and whether the purchase was being like in online mode or they have purchased it in store. Then next thing we have is payment methods, that is the gift card or credit card. Then who was the manager, and at last we have city column where we can see from which place the person has bought this thing. Now first of all what we will be doing is as we have to first this is the collection of the data. Okay, now if you there are a number of problems in the data set. So first I will just click on a cell, then I will select it with Control A, and then I will copy it to the another tab where I will be cleaning and making my data. So now you can see the data right now is looking not in the correct format. So what I will do is I will make it in the proper form. I will press Control T, and now this enter. So this will be in the table form now. I will press now Alt HOI and Alt HOE, and now this will be like a rows and column will be in the proper formatting. Now all the data have come in the proper format. Now let's analyze various data here one by one. So starting with the order ID first. As you can see that there are various things we have. First is the order ID. This is unique and I don't see any significant problem here. Date is okay. We have various products here. Then the price. However, in the next column, when I go to quantity, you will be seeing that this is in a point format. However, quantity must be a whole number. So I will have to change it. I will click on a cell outside it. I will put equal to and round off this cell, that is E2. Then if I enter it and I'll make it 0. Okay, so if you see that the column new column has been introduced with proper values. Now what I can do is I can change its name to say quantity, but now there can be a problem here. If I have two columns now with quantity, okay, and if I just try to like copy it and paste it on another column, then this will not be happening because this has a reference to E column as of now. Okay, so I will not be able to copy it. You will be seeing it. I have to put paste special, and I have to put values only. Okay, then I'll put enter. Look, there is an error right now coming. This operation is not defined. Why it is so? Because first you are taking it from the top heading also you have taken. So what you should do is again you will with all the methods that you will be doing, this will be an error. So to solve this error, what you have to do is you have to understand these errors also, because if you are going for data analysis, these type of errors will be happening for you. Okay, look, if I just try to paste it on the next column, what type of error will be coming? Let's see. Look, now again there is a problem. It is not able to copy the things. Even the regions are coming. You can read even that thing. What are the problems that are coming? I'm just what I'll just do is I'll just select the various things and I'll just try to paste it now in this column, in the first cell where the number is coming, from there to last cell, that is Control Shift down you will be pressing, then copy it and then paste it on the relevant cell. Okay, so now this can be done. Now I'll paste with values only again. Now I cannot do just Control V here. I have to put just paste special and values. Now the values will be coming. However, still there is a problem. I am just removing the last column with control minus. This will be removing the column. Now there is a problem. Quantity column is looks like to be like a point. It is not rounded right now because we have just pasted it, but the format needs to be changed. So what I will do is I will select this column and I will choose format cells or format column. Then I'll put decimal places to 0 and I'll click enter. Now the quantity is in proper format. The second problem that I am looking at is right now purchase type is good and payment method is also correct. I don't see any problem here. So in the next column, manager column, you will be seeing various spaces here and there are some gaps here. So what I can do is I can trim this thing. So the formula for it is trim and the cell value and enter. If you will do it, then there will be next in the last column we have produced like the manager's name in the correct format. Again I am renaming it to the correct name and I will remove this manager column. Okay, look, when this is the same mistake that we are doing again. If I'll just remove, I've just pasted it, so it has just disturbed my current column also. So what I have to do again, I'll just copy it and paste. Only the pasting of values is to be done. Okay, now in the same column I have done, I will just remove the previous column. Now it's okay. Okay, now just error with the manager column. I am just naming it to manager. Now okay, everything looks correct and our mostly data cleaning part is done now. Okay, what else can we do is now, okay, let's move on to the next step. We can even analyze the data. If you are not seeing the analyze tab on your Excel sheet, what you can do is you can go to file, then options, you go to add-ins, and then you can select the analysis tab. Okay, analysis tool pack, and click on OK, select it and OK. Then you can get the analysis data tab in your Excel sheet. However, right now it is activated for me, so I am not doing it. Okay, so there are a number of things that you can do with this analysis tab even. So I am going to the next tab now. I am just trying to analyze the data now. So I will click on analyze data. Now there is a very good interface that is been given in Microsoft Excel. I am just selecting the whole data right now here and click on analysis of data. You can see this is a like a chat interface where you can analyze the data very easily. Okay, so let's do it in a little different way. I want to see first of all, let's analyze the data in a way. What is the price is looking like? Is there any outlier or anything of such sort? Because in the numbers we may have outliers. Outlier का मतलब ये है कि कोई value normal से अलग आ रही, so that we say outlier. Okay. So now I am just trying to put price, insert recommended charts, or you can say whisker charts. This is the whisker chart. So I'm just selecting a box and a whisker chart. Now you can see that there are a number of outliers here. What we can do is first of all, I'm just changing the title here to price, and I have to analyze this data where these outliers are coming from. So I'll just choose again click on right click on this chart and I'll go to select data tab. So let's do it. So what it is showing is it is showing outliers and even the values of various things. When you go to select data source, here you can choose the manager's name now, so that you can see various managers. So here are the managers. Okay, I have just to remove it. Okay, I have just selected it and enter. Okay, now it's taking some time for me. Okay, now it has given it here. Okay, so you can see that only 2 managers have outliers and other managers have done consistently on their performance. Now why these outliers are coming, we will have to understand. Either there is some problem in the reporting methods or there is some problem here. This is to be analyzed. Otherwise we will have to talk to this manager, okay, to understand this data. Now what we can do, I'll just paste this chart here in my next tab so that it is clean. So I think it is taking a little bit of time right now for me. Okay. Now similarly we can do it for quantity also, because quantity is also a number type of thing. What else I can do is I can analyze the data from here only. Okay, so different type of analysis, whatever you want to analyze in basic simple analysis can be done with this chat interface here. You can see that insert charts and already analysis is already done, because this is now integrated with various chat systems, Microsoft Excel. So I can if I just click it, I have all the data here. I have quantity by product, and I have beverages, how much beverages are sold by various methods. We can even have the data analysis from without doing anything. Okay, just with a click, and we can get all this data here. We have various values here that we can change, we can play with it, and what type of analysis we want to do, we can do it. What next can be done is like I can move these things at various places. I am just again I'll just try to insert this price by date and product also. Okay, this is now opened in new column, and I have a chart also here for price by date. So that too we can see that there are some like spikes here in between. We can analyze this data. So in the previous tab we have this data. So all these things can be done just with the help of one click only. Otherwise, if you want to have separate data analysis, that too we can do. If we can go to this data tab, there we can analyze all different type of data. Okay, so this was like price one that we were talking about, and this is sum of quantity and payment method type of data. I have just copied and pasted my box and viscous chart here. I think in copy paste it is taking some time. I have just renamed my tab to visualization now, because all the things are here only. So what next we can do, even okay, it is just taking a little time, we'll have to wait for it. I'm just removing the other the tabs that we are not required right now. Okay, now there is some problem with my system, because it is taking some extra time to do the things. Okay, let's move on to the other things. Okay, now after clicking, this has come. Okay, it's okay now. So this type of problems you will be facing in your daily life. So I am just doing it right now live hands-on, so you will be understanding what type of problems occur. Okay, now I can go to data tab. Here is also one thing you will be seeing, that data analysis tab. Okay, in this data analysis I can do descriptive statistics for various data. Now I'll have to select input range. Now again, how you have to select the input range, you will be seeing it. Okay, I am just going on to my clean data now. Here even I can even if I select all the data, then there will be an issue. We want to have summary statistics. Okay, but how to do it, that's important. If I'll just click on OK, you will say that input range parent contains non-numeric data. That means you cannot do summary statistics for non-quantitative data. So this type of, if you are facing such type of errors, then you will have to remove the non-numeric data from your input, and then only you should try for only numeric data. Okay, so now right now I am just okay, we can just choose various things like summary statistics. I have selected, not selected, case largest, smallest. Now again, let's see. Let's see it for some of the I'll just try to change the input range now. Okay, if I just select price one, okay, then too there will be a problem, because this price word that I have written on the heading is again that is non-numeric data, so there will be a problem. So what I will have to do is I will have to select only the numerical data, and then choose summary statistics and click on OK. Now you will be seeing that all the data statistics for that column is now available. So what values are available? Let's see. Okay, so you will be seeing that I am just doing the same thing for even this quantity data. Okay, so that we have all mean, median, standard deviation, range, what is max, what is min, what is sum, count, everything, all the basic data calculation or data analysis is now available with the help of this click only. Summary statistics in the data analysis tab. So you can do it this also. Now we have quantity and price on separate tabs. So yeah, I can just copy it from the previous tab and I can take it to the next tab also. Okay, so let's see. So okay, this is price data. I will just cut it and I'll paste it on this in the same tab where I have the quantity, so that I can compare the data. Again, there are a number of other things that we can do in this data. Even we can create separate dashboards for it. We can do a lot more various things. We have already seen how the pivot data is entered and how to use it. Again, the same two tabs cannot have the same name. I'm just removing the previous tab. Okay, there are too many tabs right now open for me. Okay, so this tab is also like, what type of business decisions can be taken. There are some decisions that can be taken are like, if you want to say that which months are best to have the sales on. Okay, say November and December में ज़्यादा sale होती है, तो you can introduce the discount. Now what type of discount you can introduce? Credit card से ज़्यादा sale होती है, so do that thing. Okay, now I can create a dashboard here by selecting the manager also. Okay, so how we can do is I'll just put a list here and I'll check the source as manager's name. Okay, where is the manager's name on my tab? In the data, plain data. In the manager tab, I'll select and click on enter, so that all the managers can be selected in the dashboard column. Now I'll click enter. Now you can see that all the managers are available here. I can do a lot more other things, like on the basis of this I can do like filtering of various things here. So I'll just change the color here. Okay, now now you can even check the values, how the values are changing in this tab also. So this was all for this time, and for the next time we will be just producing the dashboard. You can check my videos. There I have told you how to create the various dashboards. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe to this video for more of such videos. For now, I'll just play with this data a little more. I'm just creating a revenue column here, so that where my revenue will be quantity multiplied by price, so that I can later on filter with these things. So look, my revenue column has come. So this was all. So please like and subscribe to my video. Thank you. Good day.